Yo, good day everyone. Yeah, at the moment I'm here in this area. Yeah, the name of the train station is Yudo Yabashi, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, we are here. This is in the main road. This is actually, if I go walk straight all the way going to that side, we're going to reach the Hamamachi. And yeah, the main attraction basically, or maybe, oh, maybe I should go there. Yeah, let me check the Google map. I am on the right way. Actually, we are coming from that side, and that one is the center where all the shopping center, the shopping street, lots of foods. Yeah, the one where we are in the previous days, and this is a new place that I am going to explore. Yeah, yeah. In this area, mostly are modern buildings. This one for me looks like Makati City or the same like BGC area, business center basically, with all this newly built high-rise buildings. I don't remember any places in Australia that I can compare here in this particular area, or maybe parts of Canberra. Yeah, because in Canberra, roads are wide and wide sidewalks also. Yeah, modern buildings. Yeah, the area is Yudo Yabashi. There is kind of a festive hall over that side. And there is a river here. Well, see if this is really a river. Yes, it is. The water is clean. Yeah, like Australia, there are just some dry leaves. No paper, no plastic. There are more beautiful places to see over that side, but this is my priority to see. Oh, the name of the river is Tusaburigawa River. Yeah, for sure, I am pronouncing the words differently, but people will understand. The name of this park is actually Nakanoshima Park. So basically, this park is an island in the middle of the river. You know, this place is also good to visit during between the transition from morning to night, when the lights is starting to switch on. Yeah, so it is going to be colorful. Yeah, because I can see there are some lights wired onto the trees. So I check out from the hotel at 10 o'clock, and then I leave the small bag in the hotel. And I'm going to pick it up later by 3 o'clock before going to check into the next hotel that I am going to stay. I'm going to stay in a cheap hotel again, I mean hostel. Yeah, because I will be just there for sleeping, and during the day, I am out and about. Yeah, I just stayed in a good hotel yesterday. Yeah, because it was my birthday yesterday actually. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Yeah, oh, there's a train station in this island. I'm actually going to have a breakfast. Yeah, I just had a coffee, the one in the room. And so I am hungry at the moment. It's not a church, but classic building. classic looking. You know, one thing I noticed is that yeah, the people, they don't really care about someone like me having a camera. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it adds more confidence for me to do vlogging. I have water. Yeah, because I just saw that. Should I take a drinks? But I have water in my backpack. Yeah, I'm going to eat first here. There is a restaurant here. Even if I'm not sure about the food that they have, I'm still going to eat. Yeah. It's hot at the moment. Some clouds in the sky, but yeah, the sun is not covered by the clouds, so it is hot. You see my skin is a little bit darker already. Actually, this has been in the Philippines. Yeah. Oh, they are still closed. Open by 11:30. Yeah, still 1 hour. Yeah, there is another one. Oh, I'm not sure. Yeah, we keep on walking until we see a restaurant. So as I was saying, we are in the middle of the river islands. This is the other side. We are going to the other side. Yeah, there is an underpass at this side. And then that one is going to the train station down there. Based on what I've seen online, this place is called Rose Garden. Yeah. Rose Garden doesn't necessarily have this kind of flowers. Not necessarily just rose, but anything is possible. But yeah, they are roses actually. Are they roses? I think they are. Yeah, because look at the stem. Yeah, there are spike. Yeah, roses. There's roses there. Another thing I believe is that, yeah, Japan, the whole Japan country actually changes its, looks, its appearance, depends on the season. So during summer, this is how it is. And during winter, probably dry, maybe no leaves, or I don't know, but yeah, usually during winters most of the trees doesn't have leaves. I don't know the case here in Japan, but in Australia it is like that. And like yeah, really, it really transforms into different world, different looks. I don't know which season is that, the one that has a lot of beautiful flowers. I don't know when is it. Hopefully I'll be able to come here during the time. But that is impossible if I'm still working in a restaurant, because yeah, my holiday is actually depending on the busyness. Yeah, it's good to walk in here. There's no so much trees. Yeah. Compared to some places that I visited in the other countries, but beautiful. Yeah, it is really a rose garden because yeah, mostly, I mean, different kinds of roses. There is one here. I don't know when is the season where this one has a lot of flowers. I mean, has a lot of roses. Oh, you look at this. Yeah, the sweeper, they are still traditional here. In Australia, they will just use the blower. Look at this, beautiful, huh? Hey, oh, I missed that restaurant. I was coming from that side. I did not see this restaurant. but probably still not open. I don't see guests. Some people are having a picnic here. They have a tent. This is already the end of the park, and yeah, there is a bridge here. There's a stairway going up. Also, there is a bikeway going up to the bridge, but there is another one here. And this is how it is. Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you wanna live forever? Today is Sunday, so I can't really distinguish if this place is residential area mostly or offices building. Not sure. Also not too much people here. But I have a feeling that this is mostly residential area. I'm not sure. And I reached this place. Yeah, another busy highway, main road. Here at the Kitahama Plaza. And this is also the Kitahama train station. Yeah, okay, I found a restaurant to eat. This one. Near the 4 Points Sheraton. By Sheraton. And yeah, these are the menu. This restaurant is the same like the previous restaurant where you need to go to the kind of ATM machine and the monitor, the screen, and you need to order from that machine. Yeah. I am satisfied with that meal yesterday, but I actually did not finish the salad. Yeah, this is what I'm going to have. I don't like chicken. Let me choose something. Oh, this one. 990. This 1,100 looks too much to me. Oh, this looks good. Kind of eggplant. Or maybe this 990. So I got this from that machine. And this is the restaurant. And it is getting busy in here. Yeah, lots of people now. You know, I am now not scared to order in a restaurant like this. Yeah. I haven't tried yet to order in a restaurant, regular restaurant, where there is a waiter or server. Yeah, because normally the problem is the English. Yeah, I'm scared because maybe there will be misunderstanding about the price, you know, something like that, or something wrong order. Yeah, I'm worried that to happen actually. While if you order in the machine, yeah, it's as it is. It's perfect. Now I'm going to have a coffee. Should I stay in Starbucks? No. I want something different. Because yesterday I stayed in Starbucks. I had a coffee and a donut. I like the donut. I don't want it today. I am back here at the Kitahama Plaza. Yeah, the train station. Yeah, so basically shopping center, but the underground is a train station and more shopping center. Yeah, I believe underground. Not really sure, but there is a 70% chance. And I will just keep on walking to reach the hotel where I stayed last night. Yeah, I need to go back there to pick up the luggage that I left there. Not luggage, but a bag. As I mentioned yesterday, I rarely see any Land Cruiser or any big vehicles or any youth or any big cars. Big cars that I'm seeing are the usual high ace van. And one thing I noticed is that because the locals, they really obey the traffic rules, like the traffic light. When it is red, you don't go, you stop. And so I also noticed that the tourists, like these two guys, they even if there is no cars, they also stop. And I do the same. And another thing that I noticed is that the Starbucks, lots of people with their computer staying in the Starbucks. And those things you don't necessarily notice in Australia. There is also actually Anytime Fitness here in Osaka. But I am not going to take a shower.